Edexcel International Statistics2 January 2026 paper solution. Here an internet service provider is going to carry out a sample survey of its customers to investigate how satisfied customers are with their download speed. For this survey, here internet service and customers are there. Suggest a suitable sampling frame. The sampling frame is only the internet service, that is database of the customers. Identify the sampling units. Sampling units are only the customers. Customers are the sampling units. Sampling frame is the internet service, that is database of all customers. First part is database of all customers. That is the sampling frame. Identify the sampling units. Sampling units are only the customers or the sampling units. Then B. Give one advantage of taking sample rather than census. Census are taking data from each and every customer. Sample is taking a data from a group of small customers. So, advantage is to get a cheaper value. It is cheaper. This is the first part. Next part. A large number of customers completed the survey and 35% said they were satisfied their download speed. Only 35% of the customers are satisfied. A random sample of 50 customers who were completed the survey is taken. So 50 customers are n equal to 50. Number of customers 50. There 35% are said they were satisfied the download speed. So percentage means out of 100, 35 by 100. This is our required probability. P equal to 0.35. Now write down your suitable distribution. What is the, we know the number of customers 50 and the probability, so it is the suitable distribution is the binomial distribution. It's a binomial distribution and X is binomially distributed n comma p, that is 50 comma 0.35. This is the suitable distribution. See the last part. Using your answer to part C. Part C answer is X is binomially distributed 50 comma 0.35. These two values are n equal to 50 and probability value is 0.35. Find the probability that more than 40% of the customers. So we have 50 customers. Let's find out 40% of 50 customers. 40% of 50 is 40 by 100 times 50, which is equal to only 20 customers. So the required probability is probability of X must be greater than 20, because probability that more than, so which is equal to 1 minus probability of X less than or equal to 20. By using calculator or with the help of the table, we can find the value of 1 minus, here n equal to 50 and the probability value is 0.35. Take the corresponding value of 20. So 0.8139 is the required value of this, 0.8139. So the final answer of this part is 0.1861. This is the answer. Question number 2. A continuous random variable x is a continuous random variable, has the cumulative distribution function also is given. Cumulative distribution function is sum of all the functions, sum of all the probability density function. K is within this limit 4 to 10. So we have to show that k equal to 1 by 6. Let us find f of 10 equal to 1, because the total probability of the probability density function is equal to 1. So here k into 10 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So 6 into k equal to 1 by 6. Hence we proved the first part. Write down the value of probability of x equal to 5. We know that x is a continuous random variable. It is not for an individual value. So this probability value is equal to 0. The part B answer is probability of x equal to 5, which is equal to 0, because the function is always continuous. But this is for an individual value, so which is equal to 0. Then part C, find the probability of 5 less than x less than 7. 5 to 7, this distribution function is only within this limit. So the required function is k into x minus 4. Here we have to find f of 7 minus f of 5. So what is f of 7? Here the k value is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 times 7 minus 4 minus 1 by 6 times 5 minus 4, which is equal to 3 by 6. 3 by 6 minus 1 by 6, which is equal to 2 by 6. 2 by 6 value is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is the part C answer. Specify the probability density function of x. So probability density function is denoted by f of x. This given distribution is the cumulative distribution function. When we are differentiating the cumulative distribution, it can be converted as a probability density function. So differentiation of 0 is 0, differentiation of 1 is also 0. Only we can differentiate f of x, k into x minus 4. So our function is k into x minus 4. Its differentiation is only k. K value is equal to 1 by 6. So this is the probability density function. F of x is equal to, we have a probability density function within only the limit 4 to 10. So that function is 1 by 6, the limit 4 to 10 and 0 otherwise. For other cases, all probability density function is 0. Hence, sketch the probability density function of x. So consider x and y axis. So this is consider y axis and this is x axis. X and f of x. F of x we have the value 1 by 6 and x values are 4 and 10. Because the total probability always equal to 1, so the area of this rectangle is always equal to 1. This is the required graph. Write down the value of E of x. E of x is average of the within the limit. So f is E of x is equal to a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2, which is, consider the a value and b value. So 4 plus 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 14 by 2 is 7. Then the next one, G part, is E of 2x square minus 1. The value is 2 into E of x square minus 1. So what is E of x square? The other method also we have the expected value of x is equal to integral minus infinity to infinity. Here the particular interval is 4 to 10, x into f of x dx. Here also we can find E of x and here also we can find E of x square. E of x square is also minus infinity to infinity x square into f of x dx can be also okay. But we have some other method. How to find E of x square? E of x square in the formula variance. So what is variance of x? Variance of x is equal to E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So what is E of x square? E of x square is equal to variance of x plus E of x the whole square. E of x the whole square. So just now we found the value of E of x. Let's find out variance of x. We have a formula of variance of x is equal to b minus a the whole square by 12, which is equal to, our b value is 10 minus 4. So 10 minus 4 the whole square divided by 12, which is equal to 6 square is 36 by 12. 36 by 12 is 3. Let it be. Now we can use the formula E of x square. So E of x square is equal to variance of x is 3. 3 plus E of x value is 7 square. 7 square. So 49 plus 3 is 52. Now we can come to our question. E of 2 into E of x square. 2 times E of x square minus 1. This is our required value. So 2 times E of x square is 52 minus 1, which is equal to 104 minus 1 is 103. This is the last part of the answer.